Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on how to use CJ Dropshipping with Shopify. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to fully integrate CJ Dropshipping into your Shopify store for maximized automated order fulfillment. CJ Dropshipping is one of the most popular suppliers used by millions of Shopify entrepreneurs to reliably source and ship products completely hands-off. So I will explain exactly how their catalog integration works, signing up for an account, installing the Shopify integration, and importing listings. So without much further ado, let's get right in. So what exactly is CJ Dropshipping and how does it work? CJ Dropshipping is an e-commerce specialized third-party logistics provider. They make inventory sourcing, warehouse storage, and shipping entirely hands-off for online sellers through automation. They provide you with a massive product catalog with over 1 million product listings spanning nearly every category. You will also have a constant influx of trending and niche items, very straightforward pricing as you will have the wholesale supplier cost per unit, and the preset shipping rates per courier. Additionally, CJ only gets a small order processing fee percentage so that you don't have to worry about any of that when setting your own price. They have built-in automation as you will have the real-time syncing of product listings and order data, and it handles packaging, tracking information, and shipping, not to mention that it supports all of the popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, eBay, Amazon, WooCommerce, and so many more. So in summary, CJ Dropshipping enables entrepreneurs to provide a stellar purchasing experience while they manage sourcing, fulfillment, and delivery behind the scenes. So of course, we want to sign up for a CJ Dropshipping account first. So head over to cjdropshipping.com and then onto their homepage, you can see the register button or the sign up button. They will ask you to submit your email and create a secure password to set up your account, and then to input some basic personal details like your name, phone number, and country. Agree to the terms of services and privacy policy in order to complete your sign up. And now we want to authorize our Shopify store access. So now we have to go back to shopify.com, and if you don't have an account yet, then definitely go ahead and register for one. At the moment, you will only receive a 3-day free trial if you create an account right now. And then after those 3 days, you will have to buy one of the 3 main packages or memberships. However, if you want to save a lot of money, then go ahead and check the link in our description box down below. Once you click on it, you will land on this page where you can create a free account, get a 3-day free trial, and then only pay $1 a month for 3 months on any of those 3 plans. It's a temporary offer, so definitely go ahead and grab that. So once you've created your account, you will land on the Shopify admin dashboard, and then from here, you will want to head over to the apps section and then search for CJ Dropshipping. You will find the application that integrates your CJ Dropshipping with your Shopify, so go ahead and install it, and then follow any steps that it provides for you so that you can sync your Shopify store with the CJ Dropshipping. And now onto the step where we import the catalog products. You will see how effortless it is to add products to sell through CJ's massive catalog. And rather than manually creating your listings, you can browse or search for items so that you can import already perfectly formatted for your Shopify storefront. You don't have to worry about the description, images, and all of that, even the reviews. So now from your CJ Dropshipping account, click their logo in the top left corner to view the product categories. And you can dig into niche segments or search for something specific to import. So for example, I'm going to choose this product to add to my store. So now you see the orange buttons underneath the product itself. Click on list to open up the import menu. And here you can configure a few parameters before syncing up to your Shopify collection. You want to confirm that your Shopify store name auto-populates under store to properly associate your listings. And if you want, you can adjust the product title or leave the default naming. Images and description text also populate from CJ's database. And here, the key thing is that you want to set your sale price. This is what will show on your storefront listing. CJ displays their wholesale product cost, pre-calculated shipping rates based on the carrier and location, plus their small service percentage fee. So you can easily see the price right here. You can click on the recommended price if you don't want to calculate it yourself, or simply add the price that you want. And with the pricing configured, you can simply click on list now at the bottom so that you can import this product to our store catalog. And that is all that there is to it. All you have to do now is to rinse and repeat finding good items to list out. And as sales come through our Shopify store, CJ handles the product purchase and fulfillment behind the scenes. And as you can see onto my Shopify store, the product that I just added is now listed onto my products. And if people were to find my Shopify store and purchase, they will see all these products that I imported from CJ, which were added to my store in less than a minute. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to Shopify or dropshipping.